Hello everyone, welcome to index.channel. Today we are gonna see a simple PHP registration form, and this is going to be the output. So for example, if we enter the username as John and the email could be johndoe@test.com and the password some random passwords. If you click the register button, it will show the user detail. Okay guys, let's get started. To create a simple PHP registration form, we needed two files, which is index.html file, and the another one is register.php file. So this file will hold the layouts, and the register.php file will hold the logics, PHP logics. So first we create a doc type, which is doc type HTML and followed by HTML tag, and we're gonna create a head tag, and inside the head we're gonna mention, since this is on registration form, so we're gonna mention it here, and later we're gonna create a body tag. Inside the body tag we're gonna create a title, so title like registration form, and then first we're gonna create a form tag, and inside the form we need a couple of attributes like method equal to post. It should be post or get, but I'm gonna use a post method. So, and the action attribute, so which is register.php. So the action attribute which holds true. So, and followed by I'm gonna create a label and the input tag. So inside the label we have to get the user input as an username, so the input type should be a text file, and the name for the input is, I'm gonna set it as a username, and I think we don't need we need ID. The ID is also a username, so with this ID I'm gonna use this here, and also we're gonna create a couple of inputs. So I just copy the above tags and use it from here, and the second input is email, and the type should be email, input type should be email, and the username ID is also an email, and the last input is password. So I'm gonna create a password label, and the input type should be an password, and the name should be also a password, and the ID should be a password. Post that I'm gonna create a submit button. So the type should be submit, and we don't need name and ID here, so the value should be register. Yeah, and to keep the input in next line, so I'm gonna create a bread tag. So yeah, that's it on the HTML side. So to check the output, we're gonna run this file. So yeah, the registration form is created. Okay, I think the name of the registration is misspelled. Registration. Okay, I have to create a title tag. Sorry, I forgot that. Yeah, now yes, it's fine now. We'll do the logic here. So inside the PHP file, we're gonna create the username variable. So the form data we will get all the data in post $_post super variable. So username, and I'm gonna copy this to couple of inputs, email and password. Email, password, to make sure if this post variable will contain the username or not. I'm gonna create this set validation. So otherwise it through just an empty string. So I'm gonna do this for all these variables. Otherwise if you didn't add this condition, then it will make an error. Yeah, so now we will get the user input in this variable. So next I'm gonna create default message like invalid details, and I'm gonna create a condition like $username and $email and $password. If we have the value for all these variables, then only we will show the following message, which is hi $username and your email ID is yeah, that's it, and we're gonna print this message. And also we will have the back button to go to the register page again. So for that I am going to create an anchor tag in HTML, in a PHP file. So the button name is back, and the href attribute value is /php underscore registration. Yeah, that's it. So this is going to be the output. Yeah, just first we will refresh it. So the username could be John and email could be john.at@test.com and the password. So after enter the password, click on the register button. Yes, that's it. So thanks for watching this video and comment your doubts or suggestions. Thank you so much. Bye.